Hi, Susan here. Okay, dress form explained. I'm going to be talking about all the important elements and parts of the draping dress form for fashion design, and that's what's next. Okay guys, I'm going to get right to it, but before I get started, I want to let you know that I've done a few videos on dress forms already that will premise this video that you're watching now. I'm going to put that in the description box below. One of them is one of my most popular. It's called Dress Forms, Do's and Don'ts, where I talk about everything about the dress form, the manufacturing, the sizing, all of that. And then I have another one on the unboxing of this Wolf Professional dress form and also the figure form dress forms that I had unboxings on. So that talks about all the elements of the dress form and the components of the dress form, but I'm going to talk about all the different parts of the dress form so you can identify them, know the terminology for Fashion Design 101. Let's get started. Okay, I'm only going to be talking about the professional dress form that looks like this. It is pinnable and it has a muslin cover with seams, as you can see, not the plastic mannequins or adjustable plastic dress forms. So this is the professional one I'm going to be talking about. This is called the dress form. It is also called the torso dress form, meaning it has the front bodice and back bodice as well as skirt, and together it is considered a torso dress form. Let's start from the back. I'm going to be referring to different seams and components. This first seam that you see here is called the neckline. This seam you see here is the center back seam. This seam you see here is the shoulder seam. This little ridge that you have over here is called the armhole ridge. This is the arm plate. This is the arm plate screw. This tape that I have here is called the shoulder blade level. It is used usually anywhere from 4 1/4 to 4 1/2 inches below the neckline, and it goes across the back, and that's the shoulder level. This metal band is called the neck band. Let's go to the front. The highest point on the dress form that intersects the princess seam and this level is called the apex. This seam that goes all the way down through the apex is called the princess seam. This is called the waistband or waistband tape. This thicker seam all the way down here is called the side seam. The seam that is halfway between the center back and the side seam is called the princess seam down here as well. This is called the neck band or neck band plate. This is the front neckline seam. This is a finial. This is the center front seam. The tape I have over the apex is called the bust level. It crosses right over the apex and the princess seam parallel to the floor. The tape I have underneath is the under bust level, approximately under the fullest part of the bust, also parallel to the floor. Here. This one is the high hip level, and this is the full hip level. The high hip level can be anywhere from 3 to 5 inches underneath the waist tape to get the fullest part of the top part of the lower part of your body. The full hip level is anywhere from 7 to 9 inches below, and you want it to hit the butt or the fullest part of the back. This dress form does not have a butt. I have it padded. I will also give you that in the description box. I will also give you the link to this, how to pad, because some dress forms do not have a nice prominent butt like this one has. So you might have to drape it and you might have to pat it. But you want to go to the fullest part, 7 to 9 inches down, hip level. The panel between the princess seam and the side seam is called princess panel. So this is considered a princess panel in the front. It's also the same in the back. That's a princess panel. So this area is a princess panel. Okay, let's talk about the bottom. This metal area right here is called the cage. This pole that goes from holding the dress form all the way down here is called the stand. This is the stand pedal. When you press down on it, you're able to move the dress form up or down. This is usually made out of cast iron, but some dress forms might be different. These are the wheels. Okay, there you have it. Now you have all the dress form vocabulary and terminology of the parts of the dress form so that you will understand when you are being referred to by the different components of the dress form. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm an extensive YouTube channel, everything about fashion design. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I give you daily posts there, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.